Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Asphalt shingles are manufactured in two different types, 3-tab and architectural. 3-tab shingles are distinguished by cutouts, tabs, made along their long lower edge. Architectural asphalt shingles contain no cutouts, but their lower portions are laminated with an additional asphalt layer.
Take our lead.
While a repair job can often be more convenient and somewhat more cost-efficient, placing new shingles over old ones is never a good idea. Whether repairing one section of roof, or replacing a whole one, it's always best to pull up the old shingles before putting down the new ones.
Make your mark, take our lead.
3-tab shingles are lower in quality. They will blow off a lot sooner than other economical options, which makes these shingles a more costly maintenance item in the long run. Part of the reason for this is that it is easier to install an architectural shingle properly.
Take our lead.
In general, there are 3 grades of asphalt shingles to choose from, ranging from good to better to best. These are thicker than 3-tab, with a thickness of 3 standard shingles as part of the premium, luxury product choices. You get more shapes to choose from, with increased visual appeal thanks to more texture.
Let's help you make your mark.
Architectural asphalt shingles are thicker and stronger. They have more weight, which makes them less likely to move or fall off even in higher winds. Their extra thickness also makes them harder to damage. This kind of roof is simply more durable and will last longer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The average cost for an architectural shingle roof will range between $13,500 to $21,500 depending on the slope, pitch, and size of your roof. You can expect to pay $1 to $1.50 per square foot or $100 to $150 per square installed on a standard-sized single-story home.
Let's help you make your mark.
In a word, yes, the benefits of architectural shingles make the extra cost more than worth it. Which, depending on your contractor, is around $15 per square. Architectural shingles have many benefits, including better curb appeal, improved wind resistance, and a longer manufacturer warranty.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Although architectural shingles add visual appeal to a house, they may not add considerable value to a home's appraisal. But they are often more highly valued in the eyes of potential homebuyers, who prefer their aesthetic value over traditional single shingles.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.